The Fkjgp Nongstoin Circle conducted an inspection of Nongstoin Civil Hospital, raising concerns over inadequate healthcare facilities. The visit revealed shortages of medical equipment, doctors, ambulances and essential medicines. The hospital also faces overcrowded maternity wards, lack of specialist doctors and an underdeveloped outpatient department. The group urged authorities to address these issues, to operationalize the ICU and increase staff to improve service quality for the public. They assure to follow up on the matter with health authorities.
Hagani kapor ngilap Fkjgp kajing tuna kaba kongsan kalong ba kajing tuna habi debat kiman power yo I hangni ba naduk ki doktor, naduk ki nurse, naduk ki security, naduk ki ba kentup bet ki ba tri hangni hapo civil hospital yo I ta kajing tuna abang ile cupo yo I ba yaka jaka OPD ngilap ba kadai ke jaka ka bakhamnya gile chiki ward baper ngilap chibun ki jingduna hakabi de batka jing thia ya kinong thia pang.
A group of